We dipped our toes, and then eventually the whole house turned out to be custom made by California Closets.
Right.
My name is Felix Rosenquist, and I'm a professional race car driver.
My name is Emil, and I'm your professional fiancé. I wasn't interested in racing at all. I grew up with it a bit on the TV though, because my dad is a big race fan. There was a race once when I was at my dad's place that you were in, but you were interviewed after the race. I was like, oh, he's cute. And my dad said, yeah, he's Swedish. He's like 2 hours from here. So I went on Instagram and I searched you up, and there you were.
And then you
slide it into the DMs, and here we are.
Here we are. Having traveled a lot all my life, all my relationships have been long distance. And I think when we met, like, our connection was so strong that we just like, this doesn't
is not
work.
Gonna work.
It took like 2-3 months.
Yeah.
And you just came over here, and we've been here ever since.
So now we're engaged.
Now we're engaged. And you have a closet.
And I have a closet.
This home came the same time as Emil moved over here, so we looked at a house and something long term. We were like, okay, we like this place, got the place, got built, and then we were like, okay, she needs a closet.
Yeah, that was the priority, because it wasn't like good closet space here.
No.
And you don't really think about it when you buy a house, and when you look at a house, like there wasn't good space for the both of us.
You underestimate how much stuff you have.
Yeah, and how much closet space you need.
Yeah. From the moment Erin came and, you know, shot her laser on the walls, and I mean, it took like a day, and we had a whole idea of how everything was going to look, and you basically just had to hit the button and you're off. Everything was so professional, and I think that's what you like, because it was right in the middle of month of May where you had the 8500 and all that. So I think that was the biggest selling point to me, that's like, this is efficient, quick, very professional in terms of like the drawings and the designing.
Because I went to the showroom, and she showed me like what she worked on and what she thought would look great, and I thought everything looked so timeless. Then we just like set on a date, and then we came here and started to build, and it was done in like a day, the first closet. And then I was
shocked me.
Yeah, they were so quick, and then I was so happy with how it turned out. So then we were like, okay, we need to do a garage, and we need to do your closet.
The life of being a racing driver and a racing family, it's very on-off kind of living. You're either flat out or